Yakhni Pulao is a flavorful rice dish cooked with seasoned broth and spices, often including chicken or mutton. Today we are sharing the most easy process of making chicken Yakhni Pulao. In a pan, add fresh chicken 500 grams. Usually uses bone-in chicken pieces like drumsticks and thighs to create its flavorful broth and dish. Add bay leaf 1 piece, onion 2 pieces, garlic 6 cloves, ginger 2-inch sticks chopped, coriander seeds 2 tablespoons, black cardamom 1 piece, nutmeg 1 piece, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, cinnamon 2 sticks, cardamom 6 to 7 pieces, clove 6 to 7 pieces, black pepper 25 to 30 pieces, salt 3 tablespoons or as per taste. Filled up with enough water. Close the lid. Place it in high flame. Simmer for 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked and tender. You can see the chicken is perfectly cooked now. Transfer the chicken pieces into a separate bowl. Boiling chicken with spices creates flavorful and nutritious meat. Set them aside. This video will effortlessly solve all your chicken Yakhni Pulao cooking challenges. Strain out the Yakhni broth and keep aside to use it later. In a big open pan or handy, add mustard oil 4 tablespoons. 1 sliced small-sized onion. Fry them for a minute. Cardamom 4 pieces. Cinnamon 2 sticks. Bay leaf 1 piece. Fry them for a minute. Add boiled chicken pieces. Mix them well. Cook them for a few minutes. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Mix them well. Cook them for a few minutes. Saute them occasionally. Keep it in a medium flame. Add the Yakhni broth. Filled up the remaining with water. Add washed basmati rice 500 grams, and no need to soak the rice. Eating chicken Yakhni Pulao provides a delicious and satisfying combination of protein, carbohydrates, and aromatic flavors. Salt 2 tablespoons or as preferred. Cashew nuts 8 to 10 pieces. Raisins 8 to 10 pieces. Green chilies 4 pieces or as preferred. Close the lid and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes in low flame, or until the chicken is cooked and tender. Turn off the flame and allow them to rest for few minutes. Gently fluff the rice with a fork. Serve the hot chicken Yakhni Pulao with mint raita or cucumber raita, pickle or chutney and papad, mixed vegetable curry. If you like to watch more videos like this, then click this video.